Hey, knee replacement support group, Tony Maritato here. So I got a new product from Amazon that I want to review. You guys have seen me using the Frozen rollerball massager. Love it, patients love it, haven't had a single complaint about it. But I thought, you know what, well, let's see what the competition is like. Let's see what else is out there. So I found this guy, which the one we're using, I think it's listed on Amazon for $13 and change with tax and shipping. You know, it comes out around $15 for some people. This guy was listed at, I'm trying to find a good position, $11 and change, so a couple bucks less. At first glance, it actually looks way better than I expected. The ball rolls smooth. It can be frozen just like the other one. The handle's pretty comfortable. It's definitely lower quality. Like when I go to flex, I can feel the handle flex, and these little guys are just kind of stuck in there. I feel like with time, these guys will loosen up and that ball will pop out. But really, probably the biggest concern I have with something like this, specific to people who want to use it for legs, after a knee replacement or any kind of knee surgery, ankle, hip, is it just too small? You know, the roundness of the ball is kind of nice, but once you start working onto a bigger area of the body, what happens is it kind of sinks in, and then these edges start to rub the skin. And so that's probably my biggest complaint, is that those edges are just not comfortable, and they're, you know, the plastic is just a little bit sharp. I think probably if somebody was getting it for like lateral epicondylitis, you know, tennis elbow, or they had some carpal tunnel, a procedure, and they were looking to do some soft tissue work through that area, it would probably be okay, but you could use the other roller for the same thing. So it's not that it's a bad roller. I just think it's not as good as the other one we've been using. Now, if the other one was $25, which is what it's listed for retail, and this one was $11 or $12, I would consider it. But at the end of the day, I just, even for, you know, maybe I could get, even for like an occiput, so base of the skull, kind of working that connective tissue right below the bony ridge of the skull, these guys are still rubbing on my skin, those pieces of plastic. So I have to say it's a no-go for me on this one. Now, keep in mind, I buy all of these products. I'm not getting free products. I'm buying them retail pricing. I just don't want you guys to waste money on stuff, you know? So I would say if I'm looking at a comparison between this guy and the other blue handle roller, I'm gonna go with the other one in a heartbeat. That one is just so much better. But guys, if you have a product you want me to review, something to check out, let me know. I'm happy to do it. You know, the more I do these, the better sense I get for what can help you guys during your knee replacement recovery. All right, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.